Good day, everyone. I am Iggie Quijada, and today I will be sharing with you our activity 3.2, which will be using the functions of Google Sheets and Google Docs with my group mates Narito Lauren Rose, Halop Juso James, Patarlas Maria Lourdes, yours truly, and Kilab Krizia Ben. So let's start. So first, we will be using the Google Sheets, and in this scenario, we will be going to borrow a money from a bank. And we will then calculate the interest, total, and installment using the Google Sheet. So for the principal, we chose the money we want to borrow. For Halop Joso James, he chose 150,000. For Narito, he chose 850,000. For Patarlas, she chose 250,000. And for me, I chose 100,000. And for Kilab Krizia Ben, she chose 1 million pesos. And for the rate, uh, the interest rate of the bank is 5%. And for the time or month, this will be the duration which we will be paying the borrowed money. For Halop, he has a duration of 18 months. For Narito, 24 months. For Patarlas, 12 months. And for me, 6 months. And for Kilab Krizia Ben, 36 months. So next, for the interest, we have a formula of B4 times C4. So it will be principal times the time of or month. So for Halop, he got an interest of 7,500. And for Narito, he has a interest of 42,500. For Patarlas, she has an interest of 12,500, and for me I have an interest of 5,000, and for Kilab she has an interest of 50,000. So that is the formula for the interest. So next, for the total, we have a we input the formula B4 plus E4 to the formula bar, and it will be principal plus the interest. So for Halop, he got a total of 157,500. For Narito, she got a total of 892,500. For Patarlas, she got a total of 262,500. For me, I got a total of 105,000 pesos. For Kilab, she got a total of 1,050, 1,050,000. So that is the total formula. Next, for the installment formula, we input the formula F5 divided by D5 in the formula bar. So for the installment, this will be the money we will be paying monthly. For example, for Halap, she will be paying 8,750,000 every month for 18 months. So the formula is F5 divided by D5. So it will be total divided by the time or month. For Halop, she got an installment of 8,750. For Narito Lauren Rose, she will be paying 37,187.5 thousand monthly. For Patarlas, she got 21,875. For me, I got 17,500. And for Kilab, she got 29,166.66667 pesos. And that is the installment formula. So here is our final data. Next, for the Google Docs. This is our narrative report, and as a group, we have decided to choose this topic which talks about interest, knowing the fact that we always deal with money in our everyday life. In this scenario, we see ourselves as borrowers of money from a certain bank, and we calculate the interest based on the amount of money that we borrow. The common, which is percent and the amount we will pay back the money that we borrowed. Additionally, we also calculated the installment that we will be paying every month. When making the calculation process, we have used several formulas in Google Sheets to attain all the values for our data. First is solving the interest by multiplying the principal, rate, and time using formulas in Google Sheets. Second is getting the total or the amount of payment that we need to pay at the end of the allotted time given by just adding the principal and the interest using formulas in Google Sheets. Lastly, for the installment, we just divide the total amount by the time allotted using formulas in Google Sheets. This activity is generally an interesting one knowing the fact that we know the fundamentals of using Google Sheets and Google Docs, which is quite similar to the most used ones which are the Microsoft Word and Microsoft Excel. Additionally, we were able to have collaboration with each other even though we are not together. So the comparison between Google Sheets and Google Docs and Microsoft Word and Excel. Google Docs and Google Sheets are both web-based productivity tools developed by Google. While they share some similarities, there are differences between the two. When it comes to purpose, Google Docs is primarily used for word processing, while Google Sheets is used for spreadsheet management. In terms of formatting, Google Docs is designed for creating formatted text documents with headings, paragraphs, and other text formatting options. Google Sheets, on the other hand, is designed for organizing and analyzing data with features like cell formatting, formulas, and charts. As to compatibility, Google Docs is compatible with a wide range of file formats, including Microsoft Word documents, PDFs, and HTML files. However, Google Sheets is primarily used for managing data in spreadsheet format. Regarding the functionality, Google Docs has feature for creating tables, adding images, and inserting links. On the contrary, Google Sheet has features for organizing data, performing calculations, and creating charts. In conclusion, Google Docs is best for creating text-based documents, while Google Sheets is best for managing and analyzing data in a spreadsheet format. Nevertheless, both tools have a strong collaboration features and are free to use, making them ideal for collaborative projects and